Continuing with our host-based intrusion protection program, system administrator has the ability to control the intrusion protection here. So by using the art number 232, we would be able to enable or disable the start. By default, the start is enabled. Now, as we saw in startup environment control, we have the attempt to terminate process that try to change protected registry or delete or quarantine. And the system administrator will be able to list a process that may never be terminated or that may be terminated. And these are the permitted items by default. And we have two interfaces as we saw in system startup environment control. One is standard and advanced. You can either use one of these interfaces. So using a standard interface, we could actually configure the item that do not allow system configuration changes or do not allow software update operations, and disable rather than reject system configuration, and the same goes for software update operation. In the advanced interface, we have the different registry key item to disable or reject them or do nothing, and that goes for the particular browser, Internet Explorer bars, extensions, start page, search page, search assistant, customized search. So as the list goes on for 98, NT, and Server 2003. Now the next part is intrusion protection management. So in case if any kind of intrusion protection keys are enabled, then those keys will be listed here, which is currently enabled items on this machine for review. So any new software just being added here will be under review, and these are the known items which is already there. And currently disabled items, you can just copy on this key and paste them here, the currently disabled items. So the HandsFree engine does not allow the program to run the machine. And configuration settings to enforce, in case we want to enforce a wallpaper setting or a screensaver setting. By using this start, we could actually do that, and we can schedule them or run them on demand for a machine, for a site, for a user. The next start is registry management. Now HandsFree has the ability to control the registry management. A system administrator can add a registry and delete the registry from the dashboard and any of the local machines. The next start is registry protection management. If the system administrator want to monitor any of these registry items, he can actually do that by enabling or disabling the start for a site, for a machine, or for a user. And if you continuously monitor the changes, then all I need to do is enter the registry key here and schedule them to monitor or execute them on demand, so that if any user tries to change the registry for this particular key, he will not be able to do that. So that was about the host-based intrusion protection system.